Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, January 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So I still believe that we're going up overall on these higher time frames. I think this is an A, a B, and I still think we're going up for a wave C. I think that we're making three waves up for an ABC of wave Y, just like we made three waves up for the wave W, three waves down for the wave X. We should make three waves up for the wave Y, which I still believe will go up and eventually take out these previous highs. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, yes, we have been going down very strong, but I think this is a crescent to this move up. I think this is a 1, I think this is a 2, and I believe that it's going to go up and eventually make a 3, probably make a 4, and a wave 5, because a wave C of wave Y should be a 5-way pattern, just like the wave A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave Y was also a 5-way pattern. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Now, like I said, this move down was very steep, very strong, but I mean, it definitely is three waves down. Kind of turned right in the middle of two fib levels, but I mean, I would consider that respecting a fib level. And it is trying to turn back up, so we're going to have to keep an eye on it. There is definitely a possibility this is already ending a crescent and it's already starting its way back up. Probably like a 1, a 2, and a wave 3. Probably a 1 of C, a 2 of 3, a 2 of C, and a 3 of C. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement here because if we do get like a big engulfing move to the downside at a Fibonacci level, especially if it's like a break of structure, then we definitely want to pay attention because that could be a crescent to the downtrend, and we would definitely want to stop looking for buys and start looking for sells if we see a picture like this. But until something like that happens, I would definitely be looking for buys, and I think there's a good possibility that yeah, it may bounce off some fib levels, but it probably will not break structure to the downside. It will probably just continue to make higher highs and higher lows. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. Now we are at the 38% right now, but I actually do see that this looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this is more likely like a 1. I think this is three waves down for like a 2. I think this is actually just going to keep on going up, making higher highs, higher lows, and it possibly is a wave 3. Like I said, we should better recognize on about the 4 hour time frame if this does turn into an ABC correction, bouncing off a Fibonacci level and breaking structure to the downside. But we definitely don't have that. We definitely don't see any break of structure to the downside. We don't see a lower high. We really see no reason at all to think that this is not going up. And I definitely personally would be looking for longs at the end of any pullbacks, especially on these sort of time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.